I tell you that I've ever used firewood to cook, I'll be lying. But today I'm going to try, because yeah, this is the life that I chose. I'm going to try this. Okay, so I'm going to prepare porridge for my workers, and because they quite have a lot of things to do, and I don't want them to be hungry when I'm here. But I'm going to use firewood. This is going to be my first time. I've never used it in my life. But yeah, I'm going to see. I've been seeing people using it. It looks easy, but it's not easy. I know. It's not easy. I know. Okay. So I think this is how they prepare it, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So I think it's like that. Guys, pardon me, please. This is the life I chose. I'm not even worried. Guys, the mosquitoes. Oh, I'll tell you about that. Yeah, I think it is like this. I'm going to see. I'll adjust later. But I want to cook from here. I have a store to cook from, but I feel like it is small. And the fact that we are demolishing this house, the dust is a lot. It's coming out. So I'm going to use this for now. Okay. So I've got this from somewhere. Okay, I think this is how they do it. You guys, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, like leave Kampala, and I did not have a chance to do so. But this is what I'm going to do. This is my first time doing this. I don't know how it's done, but trust me, I will learn, because if I'm that person. If I'm determined to do something, I will do it, and I will learn, and I will do it perfectly. Okay, so when it's about my water, I got this from somewhere. I bought this from somewhere. I want to build, you guys, I want to build a beautiful, simple village life for me. And it's good that my dad is supporting that. He's helping me. He came with me. He brought my things. The guy is still there. He's leaving today. And I remain here alone with my workers. Yeah, and someone that is taking care of some of the things that I'm doing here. So we shall remain here together. And my workers, the people that are helping me to execute the things that I want, or the things that I'm doing. Guys, let me hope I'm doing the right thing. Yeah, so I'm going to remain here alone, but my point was I want to build a beautiful house, a simple life. I'm gonna tell you, like, I don't want to rush life. And if you're staying in Kampala, that is the order of the day, rushing life, because every time you rest, you feel like the world is leaving you. You feel like you're not doing enough. The world is judging you. People are disappointing you. Work is stressing you. So I honestly don't believe in suffering. I don't want to suffer when I'm not happy. I'd rather suffer with work and the world when I'm happy. But it does not make sense if you're not happy and then you're still suffering, I want my mental health to be okay. So I hope the decision that I made will help me achieve that. So I'm going to bring paraffin because I do not want to struggle. I came with paraffin, so I'm going to pour paraffin and then light up, okay? You people, I hope I succeed. So our first try, I've put so many things that can help me actually light up this. I don't even know how they call it. Echoto. It's called echoto in Uganda, in my language. Okay. So let me try, because I've put paraffin. No, it's not working. Guys, I think it's going to work. I think it's going to work. Oh, it's working. Oh my god, yeah, it's working. It's working. Yes, honey. Yo, thank you. It's working. I think you can see that. It is working. Let me show you actually what I'm meaning. It is working, guys. Are you seeing the smoke?
the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking.
So guys, baleetedde mbuna ebinyiivu sibirabangako bisoso biraba naye yes ekyuma ekyoto kyaffe kikoze guys, ekyoto kyange kikoze. So let's go porridge. Omanyi ekyoto kino eno kyaniralikiriza kumbe kyangu. It's so easy. That's a win. That's a win. Musa, mumaliriza. Kali wako waguza mchele. Nze ngenda bafumbira porridge. Ebijanjalo kuba tebinaba. Nkusekeredde. Oba ne mufumba porridge. Yakasika ndeka Eriwa Bulgero giraba atweko kiraba. This is going to turn into a beautiful house. You just follow this and you're going to see how it's going to be, guys. I'm not kidding you. This is going to really be a beautiful one. You just stay here. So actually I'm cooking already. I'm going to clean ndare ani abafumbira obuugi. Hey. So guys, I want to show you after like ngatumaze okumenya nyumba wefanana. This is it. I think I showed you before. We eliminated that the wall and it's now bigger. It's now bigger and better. It's now bigger and better. This is how it looks like. So there was a wall there. There's some here, but we're going to remove that part. I think it's going to look nice already. Actually, I think it's looking nice already. Already. See? It's nice. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Man, it looked so small, very small. Now this house was built years and years ago, and this is how it looks like now. It's nice. It is okay. It is good looking. I can't wait for it to be done. Like what? Alright, so guys, this is how it looks like now. This is what we call in Kokoto. So we're filling in this. Yeah, we are doing the enkokoto, what we call enkokoto. I don't know how it's called in English, but this is how it looks like. Yeah, an enkokoto. You see that depression? So we are eliminating that by doing this, and we're doing it from here. This is big. Like, it's really, really, really big now. Hmm? Yeah.